good morning from the last island in the Hawaii adventure, Kauai, of course, one of the smaller ones, known as the Garden Isle. And this one's awesome. There's not a lot of time here, not gonna lie, but a lot of people recommended it, said it was one of their favorite islands. So we are here to check out some of the best stuff to see on the island. So stay tuned, it's gonna be awesome. All right, so our final stop on the Hawaii adventure is the land of Kauai. Actually, this is known as the Garden Isle for its lush rainforests, waterfalls, and deep canyons that you can find all across the island. Actually, it is the smallest of the main islands in Hawaii and also the oldest island in Hawaii, over 5 million years old, formed by ancient volcanic activity. Kauai also has the most beaches of any Hawaiian island in the entire archipelago, and with the millions of years of erosion, it has formed dramatic and amazing landscapes like Waimea Canyon and the Na Pali Coast, of course, which you can also take a tour of and is known as one of the wettest places on Earth. Obviously, there's so much to do on the island, but we only have 2 days here, so we're going to show you all the amazing experiences that you can have in 2 days across the island. All right, we made it to the famous Waimea Canyon, also known as the Grand Canyon of Hawaii or the Pacific. Yeah, this place is actually freaking amazing. You can just drive right up here. It's about 25 minutes away from the Na Pali tour that we just did, and it's up this windy road up a mountain. Like, it's kind of freaking crazy. I mean, nothing compared to the Ronahada, but it's still pretty sick, man, and you guys got to check this out because it really does remind me of the Grand Canyon. We are one of the most famous beaches in Kauai. Actually, it's called Poipu Beach. Sorry, I was thinking about Kingdom Hearts. And yeah, it's a little inlet. A lot of people are snorkeling, but there's also freaking sea turtles right over there. Super cool, so let's go check it out. Poipu Beach is one of the most popular beaches on Kauai and consistently ranked as one of the best beaches in Hawaii itself. So there's tons of things to do here. It's surrounded by a rocky coral reef shore, which protects it from waves. So there's very consistent, shallow and calm waters, perfect for boogie boarding and just kind of chilling in the water. Also known for its very sunny weather. Even if it's raining on most other parts of the island, this one is most likely to be a sunny spot, so always a great location to check out. Plus, it has some of the most consistent places that you can see green sea turtles showing up on shore. If you want to see them, definitely stay till sunset time to around dusk, then you'll see tons of sea turtles just swimming up to the shore. And yeah, just resting out for the night, which is pretty amazing. just keep in mind you have to stay at least 10 feet away from them for their own safety. And yeah, anyway, this is an incredible spot to watch sea turtles. And the final stop on our adventure to Kauai is the infamous Na Pali Coast, where we took an extreme zodiac raft tour along this insane natural phenomenon. This is pretty much one of the most beautiful natural landscapes in all of Hawaii, and only accessible by foot or by boat. So we signed up for this zodiac raft tour, which was freaking intense, not gonna lie. Very bumpy, a lot of waves, but you get to see so much stuff and go super up close to the waves. And if the weather and waves are calm enough, you even get to explore inside some of the sea caves and see wild dolphins. So pretty unique experience. We did an entire travel vlog for that, so you can check out our review for this in our last vlog. But it definitely is one of the most intense activities to experience in Hawaii. So we highly recommend checking this out for yourself.